Hi guys, today we are going to see what these things are. They feel like boxes. So let's open it. Oh, so there's a box from Nike. And, oh, this box already looks like the boots. I think I know what are inside of it. I think they're the Mbappe ones, if I'm correct. Okay, so let's see. These are the weirdest boxes I've ever seen. I think I'm right.
There's the box.
Look at them. They're orange studs, yeah. After this video, we might do a football training video. I will wear these boots. I will. No, but you're looking at them, right? I think you might have forgot about this box. Okay, let's check. Look at the colour. Look how cool this is. Look how cool these are. Look. Nike pink studs with, that's like yellow, orange, pink Nike tick. These boots are really nice.
Lucky boy, aren't you?
And these are fake laces.
No, they're real laces, but you got elastic as well.
Yeah. So, yeah. So, if you're in a match, if your laces aren't done, then you could still play because they wouldn't fall off. So, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!